Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce using evaporated milk full guide. Start by melting butter in a saucepan and whisk in flour to form a smooth roux, then slowly add evaporated milk while whisking to avoid lumps. Cook gently until the sauce coats the spoon, about 3 to 5 minutes, then season with salt, pepper, and nutmeg to taste for a classic, creamy finish. Begin by melting butter over low heat, then whisk in flour to make a paste and cook briefly to remove raw taste. Slowly pour in evaporated milk in a thin stream, whisking constantly until smooth and lump-free. Increase heat slightly and simmer while stirring until the sauce thickly coats a spoon, usually 3 to 5 minutes, then remove from heat and adjust seasoning for a velvety, delicious result. Keep heat low and whisk constantly when adding evaporated milk to preserve a silky texture and avoid scorching. For variations, stir in grated cheese for a cheese sauce or add chopped herbs like parsley for brightness. If the sauce becomes too thick, thin with a little additional milk or stock, and always taste and adjust seasoning at the end to balance salt, pepper, and a hint of nutmeg for warmth.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.